And a pleasant good Wednesday morning. It's February 15th. It's a little bit windy this morning and chilly. It's in the low to mid 40s and it's barely going to be in the low 60s today. Yeah, yesterday's high I think was only around 58, 59 degrees I think. But yeah, we had a lot of wind yesterday too. Yeah, this Arctic air mass over Southern California. And yeah, it's going to be in the 40s at night, 60s in the daytime for the next several days. And well, we have a few NBA games today. Mavericks play the Nuggets. MVP's going at it. Doncic against Jokic. And of course, the Lakers have their final game before the All-Star break against the Pelicans. And yes, it is definitely a must-win, you know. I know we've been struggling this season. But yes, I think we'll do better without Russell Westbrook in the second half. He was a disappointment for sure. And Anthony Davis, you know, gets a double-double here and there, but he's not 100%. LeBron, you know, after breaking Kareem's scoring record, he's been needing to take a few days off to rest that ankle. Well, he's probable for tonight because he's also the captain for the All-Star game in the NBA. And yeah, the Pistons play the Celtics tonight. And yeah, Celtics and Bucks are going neck to neck in the East. And then you have the Sixers playing the Cavs, you know. The Sixers are also in a good position to win as well. Meanwhile, happy birthday is going out to former Dodger great Ron Cey, also to Russell Martin and to Nate Scherholtz, and also to Yuga Thurbina, and to Alex Gonzalez, and to Terry Jones, former MLB players. But yeah, I have to say that Ron Cey was the greatest third baseman in Dodger history. Part of that record-setting infield. Yeah. Yeah, Ron Cey is part of the Dodger Alumni Association now. Yeah. And in my opinion, Ron Cey wore number 10, and that number should be retired by Ron Cey. Yeah. Yeah, the Penguin. Yeah, the greatest third baseman in Dodger history, for sure. Yeah, Ron Cey. And also a happy birthday to Henry Threadgill and to John Helliwell from Supertramp. And yeah, even if we don't make the playoffs this year or play in, I think the Lakers will get plenty of rest and relax and train for next season. Because I think next season, I think the Lakers are going to bounce back and return to the playoffs and be healthy and see what Darvin Ham can do as a sophomore coach. But yeah. But in my opinion, Frank Vogel should have never been fired. And Darvin Ham should have stayed with the Milwaukee Bucks as an assistant. But yeah. Yeah, the Denver Nuggets, I think they're going to be the 1 seed in the West. But I think it's a fluky year for Denver. And of course, Memphis is up there at number 2 again. And of course, Sacramento are likely going to end the longest playoff drought in North American sports at the moment, you know. And of course, the Clippers are the 4 seed. Yeah, and Miami plays Brooklyn tonight too. Yeah, Nets and Sixers. But yes, I think Michael Malone and Joe Mazzulla should be coaches of the year. And I think Jokic will likely win his 3rd straight NBA MVP award. And Paolo Banchero will likely be Rookie of the Year. So we'll see what happens as we get ready for the NBA All-Star break. And have a good rest of your Wednesday. And I'll see you soon.